Are you folding clothes, Zoe?
Yeah.
Wow, you're doing a great job. Let's see. Good job. You are Mommy's helper, Zoe. Are you well done? Looks like there's still a pile of clothes behind you.
Jackson's. I don't need to fold that one.
Why?
Because it's big. I don't need to fold this one too. Yeah. I don't need to fold this for you. Like that.
Thank you. You're such a big help to me. How does that make you feel?
A big girl.
Oh, good. I'm glad you feel like a big girl.
A baby.
A baby?
Yeah.
Okay.